Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, he's so soft. Oh my god, I'm gonna die. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Hi guys, and welcome to Melbourne day 2. I still am so confused what day it is, what meal I'm at, what time zone I'm in. Today's the first full day waking up in Melbourne, and now we're on De Grave Street, which is known, I guess, for its street art and some cute cafes. And apparently coffee here is 1,000 times better than coffee everywhere else, but I don't even really like coffee. But I'm gonna make Jeremy get some coffee so he can confirm or deny this Australian fact. Also, oh my god, I was at lunch at this place called Super something, and the Tones and I walked in and I died and I was sweating and I couldn't breathe and I was fangirling really hard, and yeah. Also, literally, I just took a photo in front of this wall art and I'm like, sees one piece of wall art. Wow. Is that what I look like? I think it's that. That's what I did. Oh my gosh, that looks ridiculous, that one right there. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Okay, so I hate that I'm probably pronouncing every single thing wrong. Also, the restaurant was called Super Normal that I saw the Tones and I at. But here's Hosier, I don't know, Lane with all the street art. This is so cool, so colorful. It's like down every little alley as well. It's so cool. Wow, even your dumpsters are cuter here. Whoa, whoa, there's like clay and stuff on the walls on this one. Oh my god, that's rope. Wow, this is so cool. Send nudes. Good morning, guys. It is day, I feel like I shouldn't even be trying to disclaim what day it is because I really don't know. I don't have anything until this afternoon. So we are currently in Brighton at the bathing boxes, and it's all these like really cool little beach house storage houses. They're not even like actual houses, like no one lives in them, and they're worth like $500,000, and it's on a beach, and they're kind of just like a touristy thing, and they're all painted different colors, which is so cute. So I'm gonna take some pics and just kind of tour around until I have VidCon stuff later today. And today's actually the first official day of VidCon. Oh wait, actually, I think it's an industry day. I don't even think I don't know, this VidCon is so different than the Anaheim one, but so chill, and I am loving it. Look how cute, and they go so far down all the way. Bathing houses, bathing houses, bathing houses, bathing houses, all the way up. There's one really cool up there that's got the Australian flag painted on it, so I feel like that's the touristy photo that I need. Hi guys, today is a new day of VidCon. Sorry, I'm gonna be like talking a little louder and probably a bit higher because there's like music bumping in the Instagram lounge at VidCon today. But yesterday, after we finished up in Brighton, we like toured around a little bit, had a fat nap because I'm still jet lagged, and then I had a panel, and then we went out to this super fun karaoke bar. I have a little bit of footage, but like copyright problems, so here's like a little montage. Today I'm just doing a few little press things, doing something quick with like Nickelodeon, and I'm doing an interview with Pedestrian, which I think is just an Australian thing. Also, I'm standing in front of disco balls, hence the little strobes of light coming across my face. Instagram always goes so freaking hard with their lounges, and it's so cute. Let me show you. Okay, so you walk through like a freaking love tunnel here. That looks like a PlayStation situation. Don't know anything about that. Instagram, heart you, and there's donuts on the wall. Here are all the disco balls. So freaking cute. Also, I didn't realize that like these little dots are happening everywhere. Kind of hate that, I think, but disco balls are so cute. Oh my gosh, what's up guys? Okay, so we made it to Nickelodeon booth. Got Patrick here hanging with me. Also, I don't know if you guys know this about me, but I've seen probably every SpongeBob episode ever. So today, for this Nick video, I'm going to attempt to make SpongeBob out of DIY stuff. So I've got markers, sponge limbs, already planning limbs for these, some Play-Doh, popsicle sticks. Ooh, we'll give him some structure with popsicle sticks. Oh yeah, this is gonna be good, this is gonna be good. And I've got a reference photo. Oh no, I'm so sorry, SpongeBob, I'm so sorry to do this to you. 2.5 minutes. Oh my god, 2.5 minutes. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. This is much more stressful than I thought I was signing up for. This looks like Sponge with a diaper. Literally baby SpongeBob. Oh no, I didn't push this out very well. So sorry, SpongeBob. Meet baby SpongeBob. I'm not proud of this. But in 5 minutes, this is the best we can do.
That's it, Lauren. This is our results.
I forgot that he has holes. Oh my god, his teeth!
What do you guys reckon? Well, thank you so much, Lauren.
Yeah, of course. Thank you for having me. Oh my gosh, guys. I'm just like being such a freaking good tourist here. So now we're at the Eureka Sky Deck, which is the highest point in Melbourne. Highest observation deck in Melbourne. You guys know where I am at this point, but it's like kind of raining and cloudy, which looks pretty cool. I was like, of course, like the moment we leave the hotel for the first time, it starts raining, but it's pretty cool still. Pretty city. Woo. Oh no, reflection of sweater. Woo! Oh my god, I'm outside. I'm outside. It's very cold and it's also spitting. It's raining. And as per usual, I have no pants on. Just LAURDIY things. Oh my god, they're straight up the most massive rainbow I've ever seen. The sun just came out and it's still like super ominous looking, but it like, I've never seen a rainbow look like. Is there a double rainbow? Am I tripping? Holy crap, it goes all the way up. Oh my god, oh, just lighting, not good. Good morning guys, today is the final and last day of VidCon and it's my meet and greet day. I have a panel later on about mental health stuff, which would be good. And then later at the end of the day, we're hoping to be able to squeeze in this like kangaroo encounter at this sanctuary where they run all these rehab programs and it's like free roam kangaroos. So that's hopefully the last thing we'll squeeze in for today. And then tomorrow we head to Fiji. So today is the last and final day of Melbourne. God, it's not gonna get any better throughout the vlog. So let's just accept it for what it is. But meet and greet day, and I'm so excited to meet my Australian bae. Okay, we're starting. You guys want to say hi to my vlog? Hi! Oh my gosh, all these lovely DIY babes came out at 9:30 in the morning. It's super early. Hi guys! So let's get started. Change of pace, we're no longer at VidCon. I'm currently at Moonlit Sanctuary and I'm about to feed a motherfucking kangaroo. And also wombat training is at 4 and they just learned how to walk on a leash and I am so excited to be here. I have a whole little thing of food and also I want to make this super clear. You should do your research on different zoos and aquariums before you ever go, and this is a sanctuary. So this is about rehabilitation and breeding animals that are going extinct in a super safe and controlled environment. This is a sanctuary, not a zoo. And it's free roaming, and so they just kind of get to do whatever they want and live their life. And I got a little bit of food if they're hungry, and I'm so excited. Oh my god, 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 oh my god. Just go in, just see what he does. Oh no.
I felt like it was close to losing some fingers.
Oh my god, 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 it's my first wallaby sighting. Oh my god, 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 look how cute he is. Oh my god, he's so small. Oh my goodness, he's so cute. Oh my goodness. Are you hungry? Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, he's so soft. Oh my god, I'm gonna die. Oh my god, 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 his nose is so wet, it's like a dog. Look at his paw, his paw's on my hand. Oh my god. Oh my god, you're so cute. Why are you so cute? Oh my god, look at his little paws. Are you hungry? Oh my god, look at his tail, he's hopping away.
I love this guy.
Oh, Austin, come on. Oh my god, this one has a little baby Joey. I don't know if it's called a Joey, if it's a wallaby. Oh my gosh, I need you guys to see the little baby. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Look at his little head, he's so tiny in the pouch. There's the baby. Oh my god, oh my god. Look at him. Look at his ears. Oh, and go back inside. Honestly, little baby wallaby, it's pretty cold. I feel you. Yeah, honestly, the content game has been A+. Joey's puppies last week and baby wallabies this week. Oh my god, this is so cute. Oh my god, I'm gonna cry.
Wow.
Oh my goodness, you have the cutest little toes. This is a hungry boy. He's like, he keeps looking for more every time. Oh my goodness, is that delicious? Hello, you're a big boy. Look, it's buffet.
Here you go.
Oh, he just said no to your kibble.
This is the cutest thing I've ever seen.
This is so cute. Oh, okay.
Oh my god, 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 look, he's hopping, he's hopping. Oh my gosh. Strong tail game. Tail game's strong. Oh my god, she's hopping, she's hopping, she's hopping. She's doing kangaroo things, just kangaroo things. Wow. This is Maddie, and she has a baby Joey who is about to fall out because the Joey is so big. Look at this baby. Oh my gosh, look at the baby. She's like falling out.
Because Maddie here herself is hand raised, we've been able to do lots of pouch checks, so we can open up her pouch and have a look in there. And that's when we discovered this tiny little jelly bean. It's just was attached to the teat. It had 4 arms, but the rest of its body looked exactly like a jelly bean. And then we've been able to track the development ever since.
Oh my goodness. Is that delicious? Hi, little baby. Oh my goodness.
She tries to nibble everything you have.
Really? The baby? That's so cute. Oh my gosh, guys, this is Nelson and he's the alpha and Nelson is jacked. Is Nelson the baby daddy?
We're not sure.
Not, oh, Nelson.
We're not too sure.
Are you the baby daddy? Hi, Ben. Oh my gosh, he looks so soft.
I think he looks pretty dirty.
Really? I feel like he looks pretty soft.
I think he looks really dusty.
No, I think he looks soft. I'd like to pet him.
But when he comes over here, I look forward to that.
Hi guys, so definitely not in Australia anymore. I don't know if you can literally hear like the ocean. Anyways, we flew to Fiji. We wanted to find a way to A, break up the flight, and B, do a little vacation. And Fiji is conveniently about 1/3 of the way back headed towards LA. So we decided to stop here for 4 nights. We've been here for, this is actually our 3rd night already, but I decided I wanted this to be like a disconnecting vacation and just take a little break from vlogging and social media for the most part. I have been posting a few photos on my Instagram if you want to see those at LAURDIY. Honestly, everything here is so freaking picturesque. You could take Instagram photos every single day, every single hour. That's not the point of this vacation. I'm super trying to disconnect, but truly everything is so nice. And also the people here are so incredible. So this is our little villa. This is the outside deck. I figured I'd give you guys a little tour and then end the vlog and say goodbye because I feel like this is a jam-packed vlog full of Southern Hemisphere travels. Okay, so first of all, this is our view that we're looking at. I wish you could see like the sunset that's about to happen right now. It's so pretty. Like this is how much space there is. Like that's it. That is the ocean right there. And then we have the cutest little infinity pool, which is actually a little icy. And then we have a seating area, another seating area, a wild Jeremy, another super cute little lay down area. And then from the deck, you come into the master bedroom. Just so pretty. Oh my gosh. And also, I don't know if you can see how high these ceilings are. This is probably the biggest hotel I've ever stayed in. Also, Jeremy's pointed out that I apparently do this everywhere I go, and I'm like, this is maybe the nicest hotel I've ever stayed in. So anyways, you go back here and there's a mirror, hello, and the bathroom where we're on day 3 right now currently, so it's kind of like a bomb went off. Ooh, and then if you go outside, there is an outdoor shower. I've never stayed anywhere that has an outdoor shower, and it's just like this is what you're showering around. It's so unreal. Oh my gosh. So it's this really cute like little spiral or whatever. You can hang up your towel here. There's a little tiny pond right here. I just kind of envisioned myself falling in here, but hasn't happened yet. And then we have a whole freaking living room. It's so cute and so big. Oh my gosh. So we played a little bit of Monopoly Deal last night. Also, let me know if you guys play Monopoly Deal because we are addicted. And then you have the little patio on the deck that you guys already saw. Also, I just want to show you guys how pretty this freaking resort is. Like every single walkway that you ever walk just like is surrounded by the prettiest flowers and natures and plants, and it's so cool, so peaceful. There's no Wi-Fi, no TV in the room, which has been honestly so refreshing, and it's just been so chill. Like we don't even have a telephone in our room. Like we have to go and like talk to people, and it's been so, that sounds so bad, we have to go and like talk to people, but it's been so refreshing. So that is it for the little mini tour. Tomorrow we are doing a little snorkel and like
Tomorrow.
That's what I said.
Tomorrow, not tomorrow.
Tomorrow? Tomorrow?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow. I'm saying the same thing as you.
You're saying tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Tomorrow?
Yes.
Anyways, tomorrow we're doing a little snorkel and boat trip out to this like little boat island pizza party spot, which is randomly in the middle of the water in Fiji apparently, but it's been highly recommended. So stay tuned for Insta stories and snaps and photos of all that good stuff, but I'm gonna leave my camera at home just to do a little more disconnecting till I get back to LA. P.S. I miss Moose more than I've ever missed anything in my entire life, so if you want to tweet me a whole bunch of pictures of my own dog, that'd be really cool. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. So much Southern Hemisphere travel I feel like has gone down. So it's super exciting. My first time on this side of the world, I think. Love you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I will see you guys on Sunday for a Sunday wine and go on Wednesday for another weekly vlog. Okay, bye guys. Love you.
I'm the DIY queen, that's the royal elite. My pretty little kingdom out here running the